Alright, fam. We don't have a ton of time, but I'm certainly pretty excited for this. We moved into this house thinking we were going to build a garage right away as my dream garage, and that is not happening quick enough for whatever reason. So what we have today, because we still got to get stuff done. I got to get stuff done. Booyah, look at all this stuff. And what is that, do you say? Well, we got ourselves a portable tent, portable garage, portable paint booth. We can do all that stuff in there. And that's what we're gonna do. Portable video studio. It's gonna be the whole thing. So we got a bunch of parts here. I picked this thing up. Need a bunch of connection pieces. We got all the poles. We got the cover for it. Cover looks good. We got a bunch of tie down straps, some bolts, some more anchors, and all the framing and everything right there. I picked this up it was $500 on Amazon. I'll show it right now up on the screen. OTOBO, I believe is what it's called. And listen, it's 20 by 13, 20 by 12, 20 foot by 12 and a half, something like that. And it's going to be, I think, just enough to use for the summertime or until we can get a real garage here to get the cars painted. So I'm fucking stupid, but that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully right here you can see behind me, hopefully that's enough room. We might run into some problems with size. But let's just get after it. I'm gonna get the directions and we'll get this thing started, right? Here's the directions. This is what we're working with. All right. 20 by 10 and a half by 10 foot high carport. There we go. 2 people, it says. We got me. Alright, well, it doesn't even matter. We're good with this. It shouldn't be too bad. Alright, well, we got all these undone. There's a whole bunch. And did I tell you it was raining out today? Yeah, so that's cool. Alright, let's put the camera back down and just start zipping these things together. Let's see one last time. We'll look at the directions. This is what we're doing. So we're going to put together these, the roof supports right here. This is the ridge, number 4. And number 4 bar is the ridge. Number 6 is the roof connector, and then 4. So 4, 4, and 6. 4, 4, 6. 4, 4, 6. 4, 4. So let's see if we can get some of this connected and see how it goes. Hopefully the rain doesn't stay with us. Hopefully the rain leaves. This is lame. All right, dude, look at that. I'm sweaty, I'm wet, I'm soaked, but look at that roof. I mean, you know, it's hard to see right now. But we got ourselves a portable garage paint booth / video studio. Yeah, so you really just gotta get the Velcro pieces on and then just kind of shimmy and push and pull till it fits perfect. But, you know, I'm digging it so far. Let's go. Yes. This thing's all right, and it's done. Took me, I don't know what, say about 2 hours to put it together. Let's tighten this. All right, it's done. Took me 2 hours, put it all together by myself. You could probably use 2 people when you start raising the roof, but I mean, whatever, it's fine. It can be done, but 2 people would be better. The Velcro, it's almost got like a sunroof. Look at that, it's like nice and bright. The material's super strong. It's definitely sturdy material. It's pretty sturdy. I like all the brackets and all the connecting pieces are sick. How they just push right in. A little push. Oh, there we go. Yeah, little push pieces. There we go. But you know, I really like the connections with the push pieces. With these little push, and then all the pieces just slide together. Took a little bit to get the sides on with all the Velcro that runs around this thing. All the Velcro. In the corners, it's got doors, so which is cool. You can see this side's open. It's got a nice zipper. Look at that. Let's see if we can see that zipper. Yeah, it's actually a nice zipper. It's quality. It's nice. It's heavy duty. We got the windows. We got 4 windows right there, right here. I think we take them on from the outside. We let those panels down. We got 2 spots for box fans right there, and 2 more spots for box fans right here and here. Get the paint fumes, whatever else you're doing in here, get them on out. You can put filters in the windows. You can get the box fan with some filters. It's a pretty rad setup. Okay, and it does have the floor. It does have the floor that you can zip in, but we're not going to do that now. It's just going to get all dirty and muddy. I'm going to wait and keep that floor clean until we're ready to paint, and that's what I'm going to do. There is some, you can see on the bottoms here. This is where the floor velcros into. It goes all the way around. So the floor velcros in nice and tight, keeps all the dirt and dust out. So what I'll do is I'll probably just give this a cleaning, open up the door, give it a cleaning, put the floor on, and then we're gonna start painting. I'm gonna sand and do everything outside of the tent to minimize the dust. It's already dirt. This is just, I mean, I got a half dirt floor, mostly concrete, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna paint the cars. It's a sick. So if you want to try one and you're looking for something like this, and you want to paint it, this is not a bad option. Now there are some other ones. There's some cheaper versions of these portable garages. You can find them for probably around $300 for a 20 by 10. Like I said, this was $500, but it does have, I like that it has spots for your box fans, and that it has straps, and you can put, and that it has the windows that come down, and the windows have straps as well. It's a solid little unit. It's gonna be great. So there you go. We got it done. So listen, everybody, if you are trying to make stuff happen and you gotta do what you gotta do, this is not a bad setup. This is actually a killer setup. 2 hours ago, I was in the rain working. Now I'm nice and dry. On any day, I can come in here and now I can do some work. Even if it's raining, we can get some work done. And that's been a big problem around is the weather. So next video, I'm gonna add a ton of lighting. We're gonna add a whole LED shop light setup in here to brighten this thing up like a movie studio. It's gonna be sick. So stay tuned for that one. Right now, that's gonna be it. Stay lovely, stay happy, and do what you love. All right, there you go. OTOBO, 20 by 12 and a half, portable garage, paint booth, the whole setup. Get you some, boy. Yes. All right, we're out. Thanks. All right, peace. Good setup.